Hi Aries, this is your love reading for the month of June 2018. Later on I'll be using the Romance Angels and the Goddess Guidance deck. So, put this over here. Be sure to check your moon sign, Venus, and rising sign for more information, especially if this doesn't resonate as well. The messages for Aries. Oops. June 2018. Messages for Aries. June 2018. Aries in love. The month of June 2018. Messages for Aries, June 2018. Love. Messages for Aries. You can see. Okay. So your overall energy is the Lovers, which is great depending on what's going on here. So let's see. Okay. Some of you want to take it slow. I feel like some of you want to take your time, maybe because of things in the past. I feel like there is some work that needs to be done on yourself, still like some healing for some of you. And that's the reason why you're feeling it. You may be feeling the need to take it slow, to have patience, or it's just what you need. But there is a need to work on yourself, to focus on self. At least, like, even if you're with the person and things are like becoming a little bit shady, or you're not really talking as much, there is a need to go within yourself and do some work. Even if you don't tell your partner that, you just do it for you, secretly, personally. And you may be dealing with a fire sign, most of you, another fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And I feel like this person is very masculine, of course, if it's a male. Some of you, for the men, you're dealing with a strong female. So there is that need to go within, because I feel like you know that even if you withdraw, they can survive. If you take some time for yourself, they won't feel so bad. Maybe they'll understand. I feel like they're understanding. So let's see what else is going on here. I feel like some of you are dealing with someone who has commitment issues. not that this card means it, but the way I'm seeing the spread, it's like they are on the defense when it comes to forming a commitment. It's like every time you try to find out where you stand, they kind of withdraw, like pull away. But what they need, deep down what they need, is a commitment. But they're fighting that. However, they see you as a breath of fresh air, like someone they can have something new with, something emotional with, unlike the people in their past who have hurt them. So this is a good thing, a very good thing, even though they're on the defense. This could also be you on the defense as well, because they are on the defense. I'm getting tongue twisted. Because they are being defensive, they are trying to protect their heart, and so you are like, okay, I need to do the same. And while they are in this energy of being defensive, that's definitely the time that you need to look within yourself. I feel like you're carrying the burden of the whole situation because of the way this person is being defensive. It's like you're carrying the relationship, basically, or the situation, or the marriage. And it's not good. But there's a need for patience, because when you have patience, you may get to this point, this family situation, this good place in the relationship that you want, that you need. Because you're just dealing with somebody who is very fiery energy. Maybe they have fire in their chart. It doesn't have to be that they have fire in their chart, just that you're seeing them as this strong-willed person, maybe aggressive person, maybe they're aggressively defensive when you get emotional, and that's can be frustrating. The driving force behind this situation is the moon. This person is not, or maybe both of you are not being honest about how you feel. You're both hiding things from each other. Maybe they're hiding from you, you're hiding from them, or both. I'm just seeing, that's what I'm seeing. For those of you who have just started talking to somebody, they see you as this new breath of fresh air, but they have commitment issues. I'm seeing that strongly here. Because, and if this is new, you need to know that, and you may not know that they have commitment issues yet, but you may find that out, and you may feel like you're carrying the burden. So, let's see here. Okay, we have, for some of you, a new person coming in. For those of you who are still, who have been with this person for a while, I see a new potential person with Earth in their chart coming in, offering you, for some of you, a friendship, and for some of you, it's love. Or like getting to know each other. I'm not seeing like strong emotion in this possible new person. And then on the other hand, with this patience that brings this, it brings this fresh start of them feeling like they can trust you, they can open up, they can go further with you. Because it just takes patience. It's like they don't really know you that well, or they feel like they don't know you that well, so they don't know if they want to take that step. But with patience on your side and going within yourself, focusing on yourself, building, they'll start to see that you are, and they'll start to see that you are a potential partner that they can open up to. But I'd say still don't completely cut them off, but just don't forget about yourself in this process with somebody who has commitment issues and is standoffish and probably not responding or anything, because that can really drain you and make you want to chase. And I feel like this reading is letting you know not to chase in such a way, but not to give up either. So if this person is being that way, I'd say just focus on you. That's what I have to say about that, because I'm not seeing anything really bad in this reading like I've seen in most. So yeah, let's see what the romance angels have to say about the situation. And try to not be so secretive. I'm not saying tell all, but you opening up a little tiny bit could encourage them, because maybe I feel like you're both being that way, and since you're the one watching the video, now you know that you can open up a bit, and that will encourage them to open up. Cards falling out. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Express your love. Go ahead and make romantic gestures. Like I said, open up a little bit. Maybe your closed offness, if that's a word, is making them cautious also. And you have very soon. So like I said, the patience, and you have very soon, which just confirms that very soon this is coming, this commitment, even though there's a defense. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So when you open up a little bit, I don't feel like you should open up all the way and tell everything and pour out your love, because when you're dealing with a defensive person like this, someone who is just seems like they're not ready to take the next step, you don't want to just pour out your whole heart, because that will scare them away. But do express some little things, some little hints that you are interested and you are willing to open up, or are slowly opening up. Also, let your friends help you on the way. Don't go through it alone. It's good to hang out with friends, take your mind off of this person instead of being so focused on them. And then you have very soon, which very soon with this, very soon will come this new, and the Ace of Cups, this new beginning with this person. So, the Goddess Guidance deck. These cards are too big for my hands. Start detangling. Ask others to help you instead of trying to do everything yourself. So, let your friends help you and ask others to help you. The answers are very clear. Independent. Your independence is a foundation for your strength and success. Focus on yourself, like I said here. Peace. There is no need to worry, as everything is working out beautifully. So with this, very soon, things are working out beautifully, and this new beginning this tells me that the focusing on yourself, the taking time out, is going to benefit. It's going to get you what you want. It's going to give you this outcome, this new beginning. And it's coming very soon. So, that was your June 2018 love reading. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with fellow Aries. And I hope you enjoyed your reading. Thanks for watching.